Good morning everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So we've had 3 bearish days in a row, and this last bar here is a fairly big bar from yesterday, and we have closed right on 12,543, which is a fairly strong area of support if you look to the left. Okay, we can probably just move it down or add another one just around there, but you see that is the zone that we have right now. Okay, so if you start moving down through the time frames, big head and shoulders here. So there's your shoulder, there's your head, and here's your other shoulder here. So this is a massive head and shoulders, right at a pretty strong area of support. So we start closing below 12498. That is going to validate this head and shoulders for a fairly big move to the downside. So that is going to be in the region of 600 odd points, or almost a 5% fall. So all I can say about this is you need to be cautious because of this level of support here. So I wouldn't play this until it's broken, come back and retest it and starts rolling. So and that may not happen this week. It may actually just go sideways, drop down, and then break up, find support, and then move to the upside. So you're going to have to wait for that retest. Otherwise you are going to burn yourself. Politicians are driving this right now. So until the Americans sort out their little childish spats at the moment, you are not going to get any direction here. So for me, it's stay out of the markets right now. There's nothing really I can see here on any of the indexes. There's probably opportunities on individual shares, I think, from what I was looking at last night. So individual shares, because of the results coming out, you can make a bit of money there. But on the indexes right now, I'm very wary of this right now. So what I do want to do though is just have a quick look at what the futures is looking like. Futures is horrid at the moment. It's a sea of red. DAX futures is down 0.5%. Most of the US futures is down 0.7% at the moment. So you're going to have to be very careful here. I suspect until we get a stimulus deal, this is going to happen. We're going to be volatile, and it's just going to be extremely difficult to trade this kind of stuff right now. So be cautious, be very careful. And for me, I'm staying well away from this. Okay, this has the potential to fall far at the moment. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at the moment. There's my head and shoulders. So I'm looking for confirmation that we are falling to 11,895. Okay, anyway guys, that's it for me on the DAX. Really sitting tight. The confirmation for me is going to be a break on the hour and a retest here before looking at anything. Okay, so hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.